I've got a fab recipe for you today. I'm making coffee and walnut cake with a twist. So I've got my little coffee here. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to add some sugar into our mixer and some soft butter. Mix it on slow till it all mixes in. Once it's all come together in a clump, whack up the speed, give it a good boshing till it's really pale and creamy. Lovely, looks really pale, fluffy and creamy. So now I'm going to add the coffee. So I've got 3 tablespoons of strong coffee powder mixed with some water. Now just mix it on slow. Ooh, smell that. Egg number 1. 2. 3. Number 4. 5. And egg number 6. I'm going to add a little bit of extra baking powder into my self-raising flour. In goes the flour, whole lot at once, just mix it on slow. And lastly, your walnuts. Done. So I've got 3 tins and I've greased and lined them on the bottom and side. So now I'm going to divide this equally into all 3 tins. Level them off. They're all nice and level. I'm going to put them in the oven at 180 degrees and bake them for about 25 minutes until they're nice and sprungy. They're all baked. It's time to fill it with the lovely coffee buttercream and crumb coat it. If you want to see how to make buttercream, check out this video somewhere. So a nice splodge of buttercream, kind of souped up, a bit of bling. So it's 3 layers, it's completely coated. The last one, make sure you turn it upside down and got the nice flat bit on the top of the cake. Just smooth it all around just to fill in the lumps and bumps and joins in between each sponge. Get it as neat as you can. Put it in the fridge or freezer until it's nice and set, and then we'll do the second coating. Got my toasted walnuts all ready to go and they've been chopped finely. So let's get on a nice coating over the top. Backwards and forwards motion, like a little coffee avalanche. This is actually my favourite part, doing the second coat, because it's really satisfying. Have your tray sort of just underneath your cake, nice chunky handful, press it against the side. You can do a thin band or a thick band. I kind of like to go like 1/3 to halfway up on this one. Press it in and let the excess just fall onto the board. Look at that, so that's all encrusted with walnuts. Don't need this bit in the video, just polishing a cake stand really, do we? Get it in the middle. Ignore that bit. I am going to put it on the stand, but I'm going to spray it gold first, because otherwise what's going to happen, I'm going to get all gold spray all over my stand. To make mine gold, I'm going to use some of this gold spray. Give it a good shake. My entire kitchen's going to be gold in a minute. Look at that! Because I've used unrefined icing sugar in my buttercream, it had a natural caramel colour anyway, which means when I spray it with gold, it just looks even more golden. And it tastes so good with unrefined. Right, now look at that. Oh, I'll tell you what, we've got a cheeky walnut under there, holding the cake up. Hang on a minute, Lola, help! Do you want us to put an emoji on you, yes, Lola, so you're not seen? Just add a little bit more sparkle. So there's only one thing to do. Delicious. Cheers, everyone. You've got to make one of these. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Everything you need is just down there, and I'll see you soon.